Are you taking advantage of the put options for your trading to take advantage of shorting the stock while also having very defined risk? Hi, I'm Larry Gaines, Power Cycle Trading. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to take advantage of using puts in your trading to trade to the downside or short side. So here's first off, we need to look at the trade setup. So here's INTU, and this is what we call a volatility squeeze. So there's a good squeeze here on the daily, and there's also a very strong squeeze on the 4-hour time frame. So these are kind of my favorite trade setups. When you get this type of consolidation where the price action's coiling, it's going to have a tendency to either break hard to the downside or break to the upside. So what we then do is use our momentum to give us an idea of potential direction where it could break to. And in this situation, you can see our momentum indicators down here, cycle 1, cycle 2 are below 0. And you can see then on the 4-hour time frame, cycle 1 and 2 are below. So, you know, there's no for sure thing in trading, but it's all about taking high winning probability trade setups. And so this has a good potential to break to the downside. The other thing you can see, it's at, you know, this 618 retracement. So it came all the way up here, it's pulling back down. So if it breaks this level here, you can see there's not really any good support until it gets back down here to 135. So a real easy defined risk trade setup for this is to use puts. And so instead of shorting the shares or selling calls, you can just buy puts or buy a put, vertical put debit spread for very, very defined risk. So here's a trade idea setup to short INTU. So it's just looking to buy, this is the July 21, so monthly option series, the 135 put, 130. So you buy the 135 put, sell the 130 as a vertical put debit spread, $5 wide, 78 cents, currently at 80. So you've got risk, maximum defined risk of $78 and potential upside profit of $422 at expiration. Now the other question I get is, how do I find these trades? So I've got a very great tool for doing this. Let me show you. So this is a scanner I've created for these volatility type squeeze trade setups. So here you can see I put in my watch list, all these different stocks, and then I can scan it for a squeeze, the parameters that I've coded into my system. So here you can see that INTU is in a volatility squeeze. Hold on. So right here you can see INTU, right there INTU is in a volatility squeeze. So it's been in a squeeze for 4 bars, so that'd be 4 days. Potential direction is color coded to the downside in 4. So that's how this particular trade was found using this scanner. And this is what it looks like. Here's the squeeze, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 days. So potential to fall to the downside. So I hope this helps, and I'll talk to you on my next video update.